Good afternoon, welcome to part 6 of the amazing renovation on the Penthouse property nearby to all the facilities on Hacienda Riquelme. Let's flick it round and let's see where the guys are up to. So, as we're walking, as we saw in the last video, they was doing the flooring, but once again, I would like to commend the builders because they've covered all the floor tiles up with cardboard and with brown paper to protect the client's investment. As we're walking to the kitchen area now, we're starting to see some changes. So the wall has got a wavy pattern tile. It's quite smooth in its touch. It's not marbly, but it is smooth. But it has got the marble design that runs through it. Once again, standard of the work is absolutely amazing. If we then turn round, they've also mirrored it on this wall as well. Just for the owners, just to let you guys know, the video is making it a lot darker than what I can see with my normal eyes. So it is a lot lighter than what you can see on the video. So I apologise for the rendering of the Samsung telephone, but it is a lot lighter in person than what you're seeing on that video. As we walk down, they've started to put skirting boards on, which look amazing. Once again, really top quality work. As we go into the bathroom, no real changes in the bathroom, just becoming a bit of a storage area for the lads, I think, so they're having to move from A to B so they can carry on going. But we can now gain access to the master bedroom. So they've done the floors right the way through. Once again, amazing level of work. And then for me, absolutely outstanding. So if I just lift it up slowly, what a feature wall that is. Now, once again, apologise for the camera. It looks really dark. It's not. They are really pale grey tiles. The border in the middle, light greys and mid greys. There's no real dark greys, but on this video, it is standing out like they're really dark, and I promise you they're not. As we walk back through, we're now fenced off from the other bedroom, so it's a bit of a secret. We don't know what's going on inside there at the moment. And then as we go around the curved wall, you'll see the beautiful blue skies out of the arch windows. And then we're back to the lounge area. He's had some sort of funky hole made. I'm assuming it's for your TV of the future, with more sockets than you can chuck a cat at. But hey, that sounds like the owner all over with his technology. And then on the terrace area is pretty much a terrace area at the moment. It's not changed a great deal, but we are looking forward to seeing a big change on that in the not too distant future. Stay posted for next week's video, and hopefully we'll see a big improvement. Take care.